Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything now: photos, contacts, and app data to Google or OnePlus Cloud. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% and on stable Wi-Fi so updates won't fail. You should disable any screen lock and remove the micro SD card to avoid accidental formatting. Also, note your Google and OnePlus account credentials. These are required after a factory reset. With prerequisites checked, move into Settings to begin the reset process. You navigate to Settings, then System, and choose Reset Options. Tap Erase All Data Factory Reset. When prompted, confirm you want to sign out of accounts and enter your PIN or password. This prevents unauthorized resets. Once you accept, the phone will begin wiping user data and will reboot automatically. Do not interrupt power, remove the SIM, or pull the battery. The process can take several minutes as Android clears cache and user partitions, so be patient until the welcome screen appears. You complete the setup by selecting language, connecting to Wi-Fi, and signing in with the same Google and OnePlus accounts to restore backups. Once signed in, choose which apps and data to restore. Make sure automatic restore is enabled so contacts and app data return. If the phone asks for previous account credentials and you don't have them, that's factory reset protection. Enter the original account or contact OnePlus support for verified help. If the device boots slowly, give it a full charge and restart once more to stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.